How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make we're gonna talk a little bit more about royalty gems for everyone, not even looking for another business, but for people really trying to break that learning curve and get some leads. Pretty much, I know how hard it could be to get leads. I know how frustrating it is, trying to get leads, being on the computer all day, posting all day, and just coming to a stop because you don't know what else to do, guys. A while ago, it's been about a year now that I've had, my royalty gems. Just recently, got the 200-meter one, and I've had this, like I said, the whole time. I've erased a lot of my royalty gem videos, to redo my channel, to start fresh. But I've had my gems for a long time. This is nothing new, and a lot of people are using these and might not be telling you. Traffic is everything, but I also know you have to have different forms of traffic, especially if you don't have a huge marketing budget, to be buying solo ads, doing PPC or Facebook ads. You need something like Royaltie Gem simply. And what Royaltie Gem is going to do, it's going to allow you to put in I think it's a 40-character message on your in your back office. You put in a 40-character message per gem, and it's going to send it out to any Android device that has like the location and the Bluetooth on. It's going to send that message with your link to that device. Like I said, these ones are 100 meters, but I also have a 200-meter. So my messages are always around. I recently got an Android phone, so I could actually make sure my messages are always on. But you can download the Royaltie Gems app on your iPhone just as well, But like I said, for me, I wanted to make sure, see how my messages look, make sure they're on. So I have an Android phone. It shows up on some of the up-to-date tablets as well. So yeah, guys, it's really that simple. They have a compensation plan. I don't really hardcore sell the product. I should, because it's a great compensation plan. They have a lot of monthly bonuses and just bonuses for getting a certain amount of people. It's residual income, as well as I think some of the bonuses get paid out weekly. Don't quote me. I'll leave all the information in the description, but I think you get paid weekly and monthly. But if not, it's still a great monthly residual to get paid. And it doesn't take that long to rank up in Royaltie Gem. It goes off of team buildings, team volume, I should say, team how much products your team sells, pretty much. So for example, I think the first level is if you have a total of $100 in billing, and it actually at certain levels it goes towards your gem. So you could be at a level where you pretty much have free gems. You don't even have to pay for the gems, etc., guys. But like I said, I'm not going to touch too much on here to make this Royaltie Gems video too confusing, but I just want to touch in. This is another thing I'm using to get my leads and get people to my company, because it gets a little what should I say, tedious to be online all day, trying to post people, trying to talk to your friends, trying to do all these methods. Sometimes I just like, even when I don't feel like it on the computer, I like knowing that my business is being shown to somebody, around me. But I'm going to end this video right there. I'm going to make more Royaltie Gem videos, just more videos, period, talking about different stuff. So make sure you subscribe, get the channel a thumbs up. If you want to get a Royaltie Gem, even if you want to just get one, they come, you can get them one, or they come in a bundle of 3 as well. We even have Wi-Fi, they're called uplinks, Wi-Fi boxes, where, for example, you plug it into your phone, it'll generate, like a free Wi-Fi around you, and then anyone that wants to use it, they have to fill in their information, like their email, for example. So you get leads that way as well. Royalty has a lot of future type things, I should say, that's going to make your marketing way more simple. But everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you go to that. Have any questions, you already know you can find everything in my description. And I hope you enjoyed the video.